automatic. It's pretty cool how it has the little indicators there. Let's take a walk to the back real quick. Full bed, got the table, that's great. Stove, yes. Very cool. Fridge, no. Oh, it's over there. Ha, silly. Propane model, very cool. Fully complete. I would say a good detailing is going to do it with some repairs on things like this. I'm excited. Brown carpet. Wow, that's cool. Stay tuned, guys. It's going to be a great one. Yeah, just kidding. So here we have a good amount of the parts going on the next project, which is a 1979 beige Poptop Westie. It's also an automatic bus, which is extremely rare. So as you can see, here are the front seats, all done from being reupholstered with new checkered plaid interior. And we'll start right here. Let's see, we've got, these are some window rubber seals. So like the front windshield, the rear windshield, side windows, all the window seals are replaced with new window rubbers. Of course, you have to have the chrome hubcaps. We're all loaded up and ready to head back. Look what we got. She's on the way back to the warehouse to be assembled. Woo! So we've been putting different things together on it. You can see the white wall tires are on it. I needed to be able to drive it, so the old tires were just much too old. So we started putting some minor things together, some corner lenses and little side markers, the lenses here, all this stuff on it, emblem, the bumpers, wipers. We are putting the window seals in right now. Get all the nice windows in, the brand new Jalosi seals. As you can see, the tent has still not been swapped out and replaced, but that's gonna be soon. Interior is not quite put together yet as well, but we'll get to that too. I just want to share and let you know where we're at on week number 2, Monday. Here we are, body and paint all complete, back from the mechanic shop, running so nice. I cannot wait to drive this thing again. And so far, just one seat in it because I've needed to drive it. So yeah, guys, this is the current progress of the 1978, actually a 1978, I've been saying 79, 1978 Dakota Beige Poptop Westie. That's the progress right now. She's looking good. Window seals ready to go in. Next step will probably be, I might go tent or I might go interior, we'll see. Stay tuned. Good morning, everyone. It's Monday. I've had this Dakota Beige. This is week number 2 since we picked it up and it's arrived back from the mechanic shop. So last week was off and on with what we were doing, but we got a lot put together and I'll show you. And it's Monday, so gonna start putting the rest of it together. Maybe in a few more days it should be complete. Let's check it out. Here, I'll show you guys. A little bit of the progress on the 78 Poptop Dakota beige Westfalia. Got the front seals in. A lot's been going on. The tires are on, mounted and balanced. The Jalosi's have the fresh rubber seals around them. A few more windows to install. The tent is on its way, almost installed, but it's looking pretty good. Looks a lot cleaner to see a fresh tent on there. Stay tuned, guys. Wedge it in and just kind of push it in till it's all even. It's kind of how I do it. And that just a tool that I just discovered today, works well. All right.